Ihi ka na.
Sa likod mo na may kusap. Ano yan?
Ihi lang namin siya yun.
Ba't bumaba si Ay?
Ihi lang namin.
Ha?
Ihi. Pasok na, Irene! Irene! Irene!
Hindi ka natikinig mo. Ay, binuksa. Oh, bakit nandito to?
Sino, mami?
Ano ba to?
Sino?
Nakakagulat naman to.
Sino nandyan? Sino nandyan, mami? Sino?
Hello, happy birthday!
Ay, thank you!
Ba't ang daming maleta? Nagulat naman ako dito. Ang laki-laki na. Ano ba ito? Wala kang kabog-abog. Hindi ka na nagsasalita. Sabi niya, ba't ang daming tao? Ba't ang daming maleta? Bakit hindi ka ba na nagsasabi? Pupunta ka dito. Sabi ko.
Eh, hindi ka magbubukas.
Ako?
Oo, hindi ka magbubukas.
Paano mo na? Mamaya natin.
Pag dumatok.
Wala pang katok eh.
Tapos diretso, huwag ka napapakit naman. Ayan.
Ano? Dito ka. Bakit? Bakit kailan ka umuwi? Ha? Ngayon lang. Ano? Nainggit ka.
Nainggit ako eh.
Nainggit.
Ang tagal mong makakilala.
Akala mo kami nasa Amerika ka, no? Akala mo nasa Amerika ka.
Oo nga, oo. Bakit nagulat?
Dahil sige sa nagbukas.
Nagulat naman ako dito. Ano ba yan? Ano ko?
Dala ko ang iPad mo.
Oo.
Dala mo?
Oo.
Buti naman.
Yun lang pala.
Dinala niya lang, uwi na siya bukas, mami. Uwi na siya bukas. Dinala niya lang yung iPad mo.
Yung plaster mo ah.
Ay, bigay ni Chato.
Ah, yan yung bigay. Eh,
Okay, ang sinuot ko para makita ni Cha. Nakaano ka pa. Ton, sabi po yan. Like niyo po yung Navy page. Ay, talaga na lang. Sakay guys, sir. Ayun daw, lakad dito, nagulo doon sa mansion. Kuya, samahan mo sa amin.
Dito sa stage, oh.
Tulungan mo sumayaw.
Diyan. Diyan ka dyan.
Diyan po sa gitna. Mayroon sa taas dito.
Oh, yun talaga yung pinaka-minus view, eh.
Sa taas. Oo.
Oo.
Akala ko dito na eh. Akala ko ending na to eh. Meron pa pala. Floor ba? Bali, 7th floor, 8th floor, and 9th floor. Ay, mahiwalan? Wala bang 24? Holy God.
Tagal ko na na-request to eh. Isang buwan ako nag-book sa inyo ah. Ang tagal ng reservation namin, tignan mo. Doon sa ano, tignan mo doon sa request. Dito tayo, tani. May palseto pa, mawala no? Mga palseto pa, mawala, di ba? Pwede sa riser band to. Alam mo ba si Mona sa technician ng riser band?
Masado naman wala.
Konting pihit pa dyan.
Wala, pihitin mo.
There's no one my love, soft with a leaf wanna see you more and more, but you know she's wrong. Why don't you try to open up your arms? I won't take so much of your time. Maybe it's wrong to say it's not, 'cause I know you'll never do. Somebody else is waiting for you. Maybe it's wrong to love you more each day, 'cause I know it's here to stay. And love is wrong.
Kinakatarin na po nila ara gabi.
Libre mo na sabi ko ang nais kong hindi. Dapat mo na mapapatid na mali kong hindi. Di na sa pagpapalawin, natapos kong likhain. Ito ang pinananaman ng gabi at hindi.
Magkakaroon ng ano, magmawawala ng panlasa. Siyempre ayaw natin hanggang, di ba yung mawala tayo ng panlasa, kakain pa tayo. Hindi, 500 nga. Guys, ito. 500 pesos. Nagdagdag sa pot money. Para kailangan natin ng pera. Ako nga tumaya eh, kailangan mag-uli ng pera. Okay, start na natin. Start tayo sa first table. One friend daw. Rana, may baby daw. Ay, mali. Sorry. Pwede na siya ng mga rana, ha? Ayun,
Ano? Kaya?
Ano mo sa ano?
Ako kasi nakakadapa.
Oo, yun yung ano sa first.
Sabi, mention daw itong bahay niya sa amin.
O, kaway kayo dito. Mami, kaway ka, papadala ko kay Nedel to.
Ano yan? Baka makamata. Bakbak ka, hakbak.
Takot yung butas.
Padala ko kay Nedel.
Kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala. May nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ako. Nandito ako, humihingi sa'yo, kahit na nagbago ang puso. Kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala. May nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ako.
Kinakabahan si Sophie.
Sophie! Sophie!
Gabi! Sino mananalo? 1 or 2, Jun? Jun, 1 or 2? Ay, yung 1? Ha? Ano, ulitin mo! Para maliwanag! 1! Binibidyo ka lang muna. Saan ang hilaw? May dugo-dugo pa? Maki, hindi maganda ito pinadala mo. Hilaw, hilaw. Tapos yan, may dugo pa. So, pagkatapos, ang nipis pa ng balat. Lang nga, ang dami-dami ko ng order sa'yo. Tapos ganito pa tayo. Hindi maganda. Baka hindi na ako maulit sa'yo nito, bata ganito.
A little bit. Okay, so I'll never talk to them forever. No, just kidding. Mike, you test the mic, Mom?
Interview mo pa? Interview mo pa siya?
Okay, na yun.
Interview.
So, how do you find the Philippines? Did you find it? Tawa na, umusa sa English sa akin. Ma'am, yes.
It was hot the first time that we came here.
It's very hard, right? Yeah, that's right. I'm better take off my jacket. It's very hot.
We got used to the weather. We've
Yeah.
been here since the 24th of November. So, yeah.
Yeah, man. Okay. Ganda na sinabi niya, the weather is hot. Aray lang na-gets ko. What song would you like to sing? Is that a song? What song would you like to sing, Mom? Ayun, Tagalog ka na. Teka, baka Bisaya pa to ah.
Sabi kasi nila special daw may lahat.
Oo nga. Sabi ko na eh. Pinuntsaba ka na. Gusto nilang dumugo yung aking red nose.
Halika na, sabay na kasi tayo ni Ace. Para
Sabay na daw kayo. Hindi, nag-iisa kayo, ma'am. Kasi bawat premyo nyo, papaagaw natin yan eh.
ay, huwag na lang pala.
Magdalan. Sige, ma'am.
Hanggang kailan kaya ako'y maghihintay sa'yo? Bakit ba
Ang bigat mo na. Sa sobrang galing mo kumanta, ma'am. Palakpakan ulit. Yes, sir.
ngunit wala ka pa? Hanggang kailan kaya ako'y maghihintay sa'yo? Bakit ba kailangan lumisan pa? Ang tanging hangad ko lang ay makapiling ka.
Come on, everybody. Pag-ibig. Sabi sa'yo, Regine Velasquez to. Baba natin, baba mo. Baba mo, baba mo. Medyo mataas pa rin. Yan, nasakto sa'yo.
Ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya ako'y maghihintay sa'yo? Bakit ba naman kailangan lumisan pa? Ang tanging hangad ko lang ay makapiling ka.
Ah, sabay-sabay.
Sana ngayong Pasko, maalala mo pa rin ako. Lahat ng pag-ibig mo. Kahit wala ka na, nananap madalas pa rin ako. Muling magkita ka at magkasama
Yeah, ano pala yung key mo talaga? Malang-malang ka kay ma'am. Kaya kumanta si ma'am.
Kailangan
What song would you like to sing?
Oh, what do you want me to sing?
Ikaw ba? Gusto mo na? Ano po? Ayan. Siyempre, kailangan. Mas magaling kay ate. Sino ba magkatanda sa inyo dalawa? Pagdating ng panahon, ito na. Alam ko, yan, tama. Alam ko, yan. Tama to? Yan. Mapuputi nyo, no? Mana-mana kayo sa family niya. Alright, okay.
So long, you want a friend of mine. This is all we've ever been. I love you ever since you want a friend of mine. Babe, is this all we ever could be? Tell me things I'll never know. I show you love you never show. And then again, where you go, I'm always at your side. Tell me about the love you had. Listen very eagerly. But deep inside, you'll never see this feeling of emptiness. It makes me feel sad. I've known you all my life. You are a friend of mine. I know this is how it's gonna be. I love you till I love you still. You're a friend of mine. Now I know that's all we need. Tell me things I'll never know. I show you love you never show. But then again, where you walk, I'm always at your side. Tell me about the love you had, and I listen very eagerly. But deep inside, you'll never see this feeling of emptiness that makes me feel sad. But then hanggang kailan kaya ako'y maghihintay sa'yo? Bakit ba
Ang bigat mo na. Sa sobrang galing mo kumanta, ma'am.
Thank you.
sige, kung marami na, okay na. Oo. Tapos ano, yung balat na lang ang tanggalin mo kasi para makain. May papaksilin na.
Hindi, pagpumutan mo yan.
Wala. Ay, ano, walang diniguan? Nilibigay? Talibahit talaga ito. Ito? Hindi eh. Ito? Hindi, main pa eh. Ito kay mami.
Ang sa siya no? Sa Sophie.
Yeah.
Come on, Sophie! Ana Joy!
Meron pa siya? Asan sa kanya? Saan? No, this is not yours. This is to... Ah, Sophie nga.
Wow, Sophie!
JM. JM, bigay mo. JM. Sigurado ka? Kanina to? Wala naman eh. Kanina ba to? Hindi naman sa kanya eh. Oh, dami.
Ah, so many gifts!
Thank you.
Matagal kay Mike.
Thank you. Sana si Mami pati. Para bubukas pa.
Wow, so many gifts. Wow! Another one.
As usual. I lost your favorite. Pag na-open mo na.
Kasi mami. Ano si Chun? Ayun na si mami.
Sabi ko may regalo si Lara sa kanya eh.
Open it.
Yung regalo mo, ano na lang, ilabas na yung crocs mo eh. Ano na lang yan, rapat. Ayun na, may regalo.
Wow!
Wala akong regalo eh. Nasa iyo. Kasi meron sa'yo regalo sa'yo. Ano yan? Ano ba yan?
Wow, pera yan.
Wow, ang daming balot. Ha? Kataga ko.
Halika, King! Open your gifts. Sophie. No. It's Christmas time. Ang daming regalo ni mami, ha? No?
Mom, I'm gonna pick what's here. I have to.
Wow!
Guess first. Yes.
Ngayon, mami. Ang dami nilagyan, ha?
Wait, I need to see. I need to peek. Go, Dad.
Yan.
What do you think this pokey thing is?
Ayan, pang doon niya yata yan, mami, ah.
Ito mami kay Mikey.
Uy, may regalo si Tony.
Pinakabit daw sa... Pinakabit sa...
Crocs.
Pahabol. Alam ba niya regalo?
Kinakabit sa Crocs.
Ay, buksan ko ulit. Baka di niya alam yan. Oo nga. Makita. Pinakabit ulit mami sa sinela. Magkabit.
Lagyan mo sulat. Lagyan yung ballpen.
Wow.
What's your guess?
Open your gifts. Open your gifts. Shopee. Okay.
I'll just. Oh, I don't know what to guess. I'm not even gonna guess. I'm not gonna guess because I already peeked and I do not know what it is. No.
Nahirapan siya.
I can hear something.
Wow!
Hear what?
What a Gucci bag!
What can you hear? Mommy, can you hear? I don't know how to.
Come on, Sabi, open it.
I don't know. Ano yung partner?
Go! That gift came from whom?
Wait.
From whom?
Mom, I can't read this handwriting. I can't read this handwriting like this.
Can you read the name? To whom? Is that really yours? Is that really?
Irene
And ito?
Jude.
Oh!
Anyways.
Hindi mo suot yung Crocs mo? Hindi mo suot? Yung Crocs na sa pag-sinela sa bilis.
Come on, Shopee!
I'm going to open it.
Wow!
Yeah. That's not your only gift, the tiger thing. I don't know what's for you. That's
for your
Daddy. Yeah, I said it was for you. I never said it was for you.
Ay, thank you.
I kind of.
Ay, sirahan ni Sophie yung ano. Yan! Come on!
Okay, so anyways.
Take it out! Wow! Ooh!
No, it's Burberry.
Burberry! Wow! That's Gucci!
Burberry again.
Burberry again. Prada! Guess! Gucci! Gucci! Did you like it?
Thank you.
Huh?
Yeah, it's Gucci. Definitely.
Oo nga, ang ganda.
What's the brand? May mga what's the brand? Brand ito pa ba? Batang. What's that brand?
It's
Branded.
Wow.
Wow, nice.
Like a tennis player.
You can wear pants if you want.
Yung you try on. Let's see how long
Shorts.
Nice.
Stop.
tennis player ka.
kitty now.
Sabi na isa-isang balas ginawa ko dyan. Parang marami siyang balas.
Another one.
is Burberry again.
Ito, binalot ko lang sa mga...
Wow. Sophie is now a lady. Wow. Wow.
O, saan na gift? That's not a Gucci bag. Show it to ano? Show it to Ate Jan, Ate Jane. Yung Gucci bag. Sa Shopee. Nagpapabili yung Gucci bag. Oo. Nagpapabili yung Gucci bag. Don't like it? Mami, wala nang bubuksan.
Mami, Merry Christmas. Bigay mo yung regalo kay Mami Irene. Oh. Wow. The merriest Christmas of Sophie.
Wonder what her favorite. Follow me again.
Yes.
Wow.
Wow! Oh, there's another one. No?
Favorite Jamie.
Oh, so many.
Mani Sophia.
Mami,
Nalungkot eh.
basta may regalo namin sa inyo na yan. Open mo. Buksan mo, Mami.
Pero alam naman niya.
Tapos kunyari nagulat ka.
Ate, dyan na. Video mo.
Ito ang hinahanap ko sa'yo.
Ang kapal, Mami ah.
Magkano yan? Oh, yan. Alam mo, inubuto na.
Ang kapal ah.
50.
Aba?
Diba?
Ha?
Magkano?
Ano, magkano? Bilangin mo.
Bilangin ko.
Oh.
Marunong ka ba?
Ito hinahanap ko sa'yo kanina pa eh. Akala ko wala. Sabi mo, binigay mo na sa akin.
Oo nga, pangalawa na yan. Para si Tina.
Nakalimutan mo.
Hindi, pangalawa na yan.
Hindi, isang beses mo na.
Pangalawa na yan.
Si Grace ang nagbigay sa akin ng 25,000.
Wow.
Eh si Tina, magkano?
Tina,
Tina, magkano?
5 yata. 5 ba?
Tama?
5 ba?
Ang galing ah. Talagang ang
Si
talas.
Ray wala pa.
Ang talas talaga ng ano
Hindi
sa
pa
pera.
tumawag
Ano?
eh.
Sa pera.
Sabi ko sa'yo wala pa eh.
Hintayin mo, Mami, kay Tita Janet. Baka mas malaki yun.
Ano na?
Kay Tita Janet, antayin mo. Kay Tita Janet, antayin mo.
Wala.
Malay mo.
Hindi nagbibigay yun.
Baka sinusurprise ka lang, Mami. Mami, magkano binigay si Tina, Mami?
Kay Tina, 25.
Akala ko 25.
25.
Tara, consistent Tina.
Kay Grace. Si Grace,
Kay Grace daw, 5 lang.
5. Kay Tina, 25.
Kay Grace.
Sino?
Si Grace. Kay Grace.
Si Grace? Yung binigay ng mga kaibigan niya.
Magkano?
Kasama pala yung cake.
25,000.
I As I see our paths go on separate ways, I can't help but wonder when I'll get to see you once again. And as I hear your voice calling on my name, I can't help but wonder why we have to say goodbye. Do you remember all the good times we have shared, and the days that seem to pass so fast, and all the friends we've met, and the life we've made, even the tears we've shed, and the joys we've had? Remember all the memories. As we bid farewell and part our ways today, hope that we will make a change for the future that we hold. And as we craft our dreams and make them all come true, hope we won't forget where we once made a stand. Do you remember all the good times we have shared, and the days that seem to pass so fast, and all the friends we've met, and the life we've made, even the tears we've shed, and the joys we've had? Remember all the memories. Let us keep on dreaming, keep the fire burning. Don't forget that we have won. From a little Marceline to this fine man we have been, let us join our hearts as one. Yeah! Do you remember all the good times we have shared, and the days that seem to pass so fast, and all the friends we've met, and the life we've made, even the tears we've shed, and the joys we've had? Remember all the memories. Do you remember all the good times we have shared, and the days that seem to pass so fast, and all the friends we've met, and the life we've made, even the tears we've shed, and the joys we've had? Remember all the memories. As I see our paths go on separate ways, can't help but wonder when I'll get to see you once again. And as as I hear your voice calling on my name. Can't help but wonder why we have to say goodbye. Do you remember the good times we have shared and the days that seem to pass so fast, and all the friends we've met and the life we've made, even the tears we've shed, the joys we've had. Remember all the memories. As we bid farewell and part our ways today, hope that we will make a change for the future that we hold. And as we craft our dreams and make them all come true, hope that we won't forget where we once made a step. Do you remember the good times we have shared and the days that seem to pass so fast, and all the friends we've met and the life we've made, even the tears we've shed, the joys we've had. Remember all the memories. Let us keep on dreaming, keep the fire burning. Don't forget the memories, the happiness and the laughter. Don't forget the memories, the downfall and the pain. From a young little Marceline to this fine man that we have been, I'll always remember, I'll always remember. Do you remember the good times we have shared and the days that seem to pass so fast, and all the friends we've met and the life we've made, even the tears we've shed and the joys we've had. Remember all the memories, even the tears we've shed, the joys we've had. Remember